Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Bountiful Blessings Urban Homestead. In this video, we are going to go over our garlic scapes, show you what they look like, and tell you a little bit about what you can do with them. Also tell you how they are a sign of when your garlic may be ready to harvest. So here we have our garlic patch, which only the locally grown garlic sourced from the farmer's market took to. Here we got some garlic online, which a couple little shoots here and there did take. So we're gonna end up trying to plant all those bulbs and clove them out and have those grown next year. Same with some of these, save a couple of the bulbs and replant. But as you can see, our garlics have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 leaves. And then they are producing their scape. So the scape is going to be the flower that opens up, and it will seed if it's pollinated, and your garlic will go into seed production mode instead of just focusing on the enlargement of the bulb. So most of these garlics here have the scape. Here's a little one just starting to come. Here's another one, another one starting to curl over. So once these are fully curly cued over and do a little spiral, that's when they're ready to chop off. So you just chop that scape off right where it comes out of the leaf, right here. And then you can chop off the head, and then you would turn this neck into some sort of pesto, or you can use it in soups or stir fries and all sorts of different things. So if we move on down the line here, you can see that these other varieties of garlic are starting to curly cue here, like I said they'll do. So they'll do a full-on curly cue, and then that's when you want to chop them off. And after you chop off your scapes, your garlic below the ground will be ready about a month after that. So today is the very end of May. So we can be expecting our garlic to be ready to harvest around the end of June or the 4th of July, like I was expecting when I planted this in November. Thank you guys for tuning in to Bountiful Blessings Urban Homestead. We will make a harvesting scape video when all these scapes are ready to harvest, and we will show you guys what we do with them here on our homestead. Until next time, keep watching. Good growing. Thanks. Bye.